Good morning, traders. I'm Dan Pavlonis, Senior Market Strategist here at RJO Futures. I'm here to talk about the currencies, which I do every Thursday. Coming in today, over the course of the past of the week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, we've seen a sharp sell-off in the dollar index. I think the cause of that is a run-up. We've gone up 7 handles in practically a little over 3 months. It's only natural to see a little bit of a pullback. A couple other variables that are happening behind the scenes is that the Federal Reserve is supposed to end their quantitative easing program this month and essentially pass the baton over to the ECB, the European Central Bank. And today, Draghi will be talking in the next hour or so, half an hour really, about the implementation of that and some of the variables that will be put into place to help this succeed. So all eyes will be on that announcement. We go back to the FOMC minutes, the last FOMC minutes. We saw a sharp decline after that, and that was about 1 o'clock yesterday. The theory behind that is that the FOMC minutes showed that the Fed is worried about the strength in the dollar, also that interest rates are not going to move higher as expected, or the Fed is not going to raise interest rates. These two variables, I think, are things that should be thought about, but I don't think it's necessary to raise rates at this point, because if you think about it, if the ECB lowers the value of the euro, that money should theoretically be shifting over to the US. The Federal Reserve is going to stop their bond purchase program. It's going to create a gap in the purchase program where it needs to be filled. So essentially that money is going to come back and theoretically keep the interest rates low here for quite some time. I think interest rates will float up, but the Fed, it's not necessary for them to actually raise rates. If you think about it, that will also push people into non-risky assets, like buying treasuries and just sitting in it, and that would not be good for our economy. So there's other variables that are happening right now, and if you have any questions, feel free, give me a call. Dan Pavlonis, Senior Market Strategist here at RJO Futures. Futures and options on futures may involve substantial risk and may not be suitable for all investors.